こんにちは、Japanese アンモのミサです。Day 6. So the first kanji is this one. This kanji means foot or leg. The kuyomi is ashi. Okay? And when we say ashi, we don't really differentiate between the foot and leg. Okay? So ashi is just the whole thing. So ashi is the kuyomi, ashi, and the onyomi is soku. It's kind of funny because it kind of sounds like the English word sock, right? Although to say the sock in Japanese we say kutsushita and has nothing to do with this kanji. But anyway, soku is the onyomi, and there is a kind of important word, dosoku. That kanji means mud, earth, right? Like doyobi, the Saturday. Anyway, dosoku, so literally muddy feet. If you say dosoku de, that means with shoes on. You see why this word is kind of important in Japan. Because everywhere you go, you will hear dosoku de agaranai de kudasai. Please don't go inside with your shoes on. Dame. Anyway, this kanji does look like a man running, right? But anyway, that square is not the mouth. It's illustrating the torso, okay, the body. And the bottom part actually comes from another kanji, which we are going to learn, this one. This kanji means to stop, okay? Very important as well. For example, tomeru means to stop. Okay, tomeru. And this kanji is another pictograph, and it's capturing the image of footprint. Kind of looks like it. Anyway, footprint is something that's made when the foot is staying in one place. Right? I mean, obviously you move on, but so from that meaning, we got the meaning to stop. Anyway, the kuyomi is to. The verb to stop is tomaru or tomeru. This is about transitive, intransitive verb. Please watch another lesson on it. And the onyomi is shi. For example, there is this word chushi. That means suspension. For example, 中止になる means to be cancelled or to be called off. Very important word. You can, for example, say 試合が中止になった. The match was cancelled. The match was called off. The first kanji is another kanji that I want you to remember today. This kanji means middle. So 中止 literally means to stop in the middle or to stop halfway through. Okay, although if you want to say to stop halfway through, we generally say 途中でやめる。中止 usually just means being called off. Doesn't even happen. But you can think it like we planned it, so we were kind of in the middle of the plan, and I got called off. This kanji, pretty easy to remember. You see the box and line in the middle, and that means middle. Makes sense. Kuyomi is naka, and that can mean inside. So for example, naka ni hairu, that means to go inside. Or hako no naka, inside of the box. The onyomi is chu. Pretty cute because chu can also be the sound onomatopoeia for kissing. It's like smooch, chew. And yeah, the word suspension, being called off, cancellation, that's chushi, right? So we use the onyomi, chushi. Alright, the fourth kanji I want you to remember today is this one. This kanji means to run. The verb to run is hashiru. So the kuyomi is hashi, okay, hashi. And again, it's similar to both kanji, tomeru and hashiru, right? It kind of looks like a nezuko running, actually. Alright, the last kanji I want you to remember is this one. This kanji means to walk. So the verb to walk, we say aruku, aruku. So the kunyami is aru, okay, aru. The oyami can be tricky. It can be ho or po. Okay, for example, the word for a stroll, walk, we say sanpo. This is the word you should remember. Sanpo, or one step. Ippo, one step at a time. Ippo zutsu. And again, you see the kanji that means to stop, but really it means footprint, right? So it shows that it's foot. And the lower part on its own, it looks like the kanji sukunai, like little amount, few, little. But it's actually illustrating legs crossing. You're walking like that, and it's meant to look like that. Alright, that's it for today. Let's quickly review the kanji we had today. So this kanji means to stop. Okay, the kunyomi is to. For example, the verb to stop is tomeru or tomaru. For example, densha ga tomatta means a train stopped. The next kanji was this one. This kanji means middle, inside. The kunyomi is naka, naka. The oyami is chu, chu. And if you write like this, it's chushi, means suspension or cancellation. The third kanji is this one. This kanji means foot, right? The kunyomi is ashi. The oyami is soku, like sock, right? The next one, this means to run. Hashiru is to run, okay? The last one is to walk. Aruku, aruku. The oyami can be ho or po. For example, a walk, a stroll, sanpo, right? Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give a thumbs up and share it with your friends or families or followers. I really appreciate it. If you want me to continue making these videos, please let me know in the comments. And also, if you could consider supporting me on Patreon, I would forever be grateful. じゃあまたね。バイバイ。